Now in this one, if you want to calculate the profits earned according to the given number, take it and calculate it. So J1, how much it is earning? 2 plus J3, 3 plus J2 plus 4 plus J5, 10. So 16, 16, 3, 19. 19 is the maximum profit that you can earn, and this is the only possible way and the best way that you can apply to get the highest value. Okay, now J1, J2, J3, J4, this is another example. Watch it carefully. So again I will prepare a Gantt chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of what size? Check out carefully. 5 is the maximum here. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take out the highest value. First step is preparing the things. Okay. Second thing is checking out which is having the highest profit. Okay. Third step is taking out the highest value to the most expected place. That is, if the deadline is 2, fix that highest value in the particular deadline itself. Take it away from the index. Take it away as far as possible and place it in the right block. Or else in the other context you can understand that place it at whatever block it is having. Don't worry of any other thing to be placed there, right? So first one is 300. So 300 can be placed at the deadline of given 2. So the job placed here is J4, that is locked. Okay, now check for the second highest number. Second highest number is 200 and deadline is 5. Okay, again you don't need to worry and go for things and fix here, that is J1. And the third highest number is 190. Now 190, check for it, 3, and 3 is available here, J3. Next highest number 180. 180 can be present here, 3. So I can place 180 here, right? Check the block availability. If it is filled before, check the left side, not right side. Check the left side block. If it is also not available, check the left side block again. That is, if for again with respect to this question I have filled J2 here, but if you want to fill the J2 here also, it is acceptable until or unless the block is free. Okay, now again we have filled J2, J3, J4 and J1. Now the last one you can say J5, 120, which is having a length of deadline length of 4 units. So if I place J5 here, it is done. Now the profit that I would earn from here is 200 plus 180 plus 190 plus 300 plus 120. Just the thing I have excluded here is 3, because with the given deadline, the jobs that I can do, that the maximum profit that I can earn is the context we are dealing with. So when we add all this, 380 plus 390, 490 plus 120. So this is equivalent to 500 plus 490, approximately 990. Okay, I have performed a rough calculation, do check it out. So this is everything about job scheduling, and I have mentioned what are the steps that you need to proceed with. So that would be the algorithm for this, and there is no particular program following some particular thing. So we can program or code it up, but the steps that we need to follow, only that I have mentioned here. Thank you.